बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ये आज वाले जो नोट्स हैं ये आपके साथ शेयर किए जा रहे हैं स्पेशली उन बच्चों के लिए जो BS ऑनर कर रहे हैं या MA इंग्लिश कर रहे हैं। तो जॉन डन एज अ मेटाफिजिकल पोएट, ये मुझे किसी के नोट्स जो हैं वो हैंड रिटन फॉर्म में नज़र आए, तो मैंने कहा आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर दूं, आप लोगों को इसका बेनिफिट हो जाएगा। तो ये जो हैंड रिटन नोट्स हैं काफ़ी अच्छी राइटिंग भी है और काफ़ी अच्छे लिखे हुए हैं, तो उम्मीद है आपको ये नोट्स जो हैं वो पसंद आएंगे। तो आप साथ साथ अपने नोट्स जो हैं वो भी बनाते जाएं, इनको पेंसिल पकड़ें और साथ साथ लिखते जाएं ताकि पॉइंट्स जो हैं वो आपके माइंड में रहें, वरना चीज़ें जो हैं वो इंटरमिंगल हो जाती हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। जॉन डन वाज बॉर्न इन 1572 इन लंदन, इंग्लैंड। ही इज़ नोन एज द founder of metaphysical poetry, a term created by Samuel Johnson. The metaphysical group also includes George Herbert, Richard Crashaw, Andrew Marvell, and John Cleveland. The metaphysical poets are known for their ability to surprise the reader by subtle argument, inventive syntax, imagery, art, philosophy, and religion. John Donne's best known work of metaphysical poetry is The Sun Rising, The Flea, Death Be Not Proud, Sweetest Love, The Dream, The Ecstasy. Though Donne was influenced by the 16th and the 17th century poets, he did not follow the old path of 16th century. His concept of poetry was unconventional. In his life, he was never called a metaphysical poet. After his death, his poetry re-evaluated and some other important features were found in it. The features was the name of metaphysical poet for Donne. Dryden once remarks, Donne affects metaphysical not only in his style but in love verses. Love verses too, where nature only should reign. Combination of passion and thought is the main feature of Donne's work. This use of conceit is often witty and fantastic. His hyperboles and his paradoxes are astonishing. He mixes facts and realities in such a way which amazes us. He fills his poem with high rank and grand style. Some of his poems metaphysical in literal sense, but they are philosophical and real deal with spirit and soul. Conceit is also a remarkable feature of Donne's poetry. When the tempest unkindly kind, my life's blood cloth decay. तो यहाँ पे ये कुछ इसमें पढ़ने में थोड़ी सी दिक्कत आ रही है, शायद आप लोगों को स्क्रीन पे ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी के साथ अगर नज़र आ रहा है तो आप इसको रीड भी करते जाएं स्क्रीन के साथ साथ. His metaphysical approach is based on logical arguments. He describes his emotional experiences in an intellectual way. For example, he thinks about faithfulness in a woman and through logical arguments reach a conclusion that it is impossible to find a faithful woman. Nowhere lives a woman true and fair. वो कहता है कहीं पे भी कोई भी औरत जो है वो faithful नहीं है. In his poetry, metaphysical He does not use exciting system even his poem song while separating. He is logical that he is not portraying for weariness of his beloved. But since that I must die at last, this best to use myself in jest, thus by signed deaths to die. Sometimes his ideas are beyond the understanding of a common man because they are a blend of intellect and emotions which are difficult to understand. Or snorted we in the seven sleepers' den, but that Christ on this cross did rise and fall. Donne's poetry is full of arguments, shock, and surprise. Incented of convention, romantic words, he had ये क्या लिखा हुआ है? ये वर्ड्स पता नहीं क्या है, लेकिन लग रहा है मुझे कि ये जो वर्ड है इरोटिक हो सकता है. टेक मेथड एंड मैथमेटिकली वर्ड्स टू इंट्रोड्यूस रफनेस ऑन हिज पोइट्री. तो ये हमारे पास इसका लास्ट पेज है. डन इज़ आल्सो मास्टर इन hyperbolic treatment of his experiences. A good example of this would be the flea in High Donne describes the combination of his and his lady love's blood in the flea's body like the union of two lovers in marriage. कंक्लूजन में ये कहता है, जिस सर ने ये नोट्स लिखे हैं, टू वाइंड अप द अबव डिस्कशन वी कैन से दैट जॉन डन इज़ अ 17th century metaphysical poet. There are many features in his poetry which make him different from others. He is monarch of wit, really great मास्टर ऑफ मेटाफिज़िकल आर्गूमेंट्स ऑफ पोएट्री. तो उम्मीद है इसमें से काफ़ी चीज़ें जो हैं वो आपको अंडरस्टैंड करने को मिली होंगी. तो मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.